Hey, welcome to MarineMax Dallas, guys. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're standing on a brand new Harris Solstice. This Harris Solstice is our single lounger layout, so we've got two really nice couches in the front, great storage down below. Harris does a great job with the rotocast bases, gives you a lot of storage, gives you drain troughs all the way around the seats, so when you sit back down with a wet swimsuit on, instead of it draining into your storage, it actually drains out the back of the furniture. They use a really nice two-stage hinge that drops the cushion down, making it easier to get inside the storage versus other manufacturers that actually flip all the way up on a hinge and they sit kind of high and make it difficult to get into. Really nice flip-down armrests on both sides. Great LED lighting all the way around on the interior. Our floor storage uses a gas assist to hold your ski door up. Plenty of room. There is a bilge pump down in there, so any water that gets down in there, it's going to pump right back overboard. This boat is equipped with the Polk Audio upgraded stereo system, so it does come with a subwoofer and tower speakers because it is equipped with the tower. Super nice high back luxury helm seat. And then the really cool part is the single lounger layout. So you've got a really nice bench seat over here, another nice bench seat here. But this flips forward to give you a really nice lounger back here on the back. Makes it easy to lounge if you're hanging out in the cove with the stainless steel railing that's around it. Allows you to sit back here while the boat is underway, so you can sit back here and film the tubers, film your skiers, film your wakeboarders, whatever else they're doing. This 240, since it does have a tower, it is powered with the new Mercury 250 V8, so lots of torque and lots of power out of this engine. Drop down swim step over here makes it easy to get in and out of the water. If you want to go this way, makes it easier for big dogs to get in and out of the water coming up through there. Super nice stainless steel wide handled 4-step ladder to get in and out of the water, so it goes deep down inside the water. Ski tow bar, they do a great job with their ski tow bar. Put some nice rails across the front of it, making it hard for anything to fall down inside the motor well back there. As we make our way back to the dash, Harris does a great job laying out their dash. They backlit all of their panels so that you can see it easier. Really nice aluminum toggle switches, Polk stereo. It is Bluetooth, so you can sync your phone to it. GPS speedometer and a SIMRAD here. We put a SIMRAD in all of our pontoons. Doesn't matter whether it's a Solstice or a cruiser or whatever it is. We put a SIMRAD in it. Gives you depths, gives you chart plotter, gives you everything you need. Digital throttle and shift makes it really easy to move, and auto trim. So this boat will trim itself when it's running across the water, so you don't have to trim any of it out. Let the boat do it for you. Hey, thanks for visiting us today. I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax in Dallas. We'd love for you to stop in, check out this boat. Let us show you some more features on this boat. If you have any questions, you can call us at 972-436-9979. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.